Let's take a quick look at some of the key features both end users and installers rely on in the CAM2 application, starting with playback. Select the viewing window to make it active, then tap the playback button. Once in playback mode, you have full control. Choose a specific date and time to jump directly to the moment you're looking for. The timeline is fully interactive. You can scroll through it or zoom in for more precise review. Each color on the timeline represents a different type of recording event, giving you instant visual clarity. You can also filter the timeline to focus only on the events that matter, such as human face detections. When filtered, only those events appear on the timeline, clearly marked in teal blue. As you move along the timeline, playback automatically snaps to the next event, making incident review faster and more efficient. Playback isn't limited to a single camera. You can review up to 16 channels at the same time by simply changing the layout, with all cameras staying synchronized to the same time point. You can also quickly swap cameras by selecting a window and choosing a different channel, giving you flexible, efficient access to recorded footage exactly when you need it.
Capturing footage with the CAM2 app is simple, intuitive, and designed to save both time and effort. Starting in live view, just tap on the screen and select the camera icon to take a snapshot. The snapshot is immediately saved to the app's file directory. To record video manually, tap the screen again and hit the video recorder icon to begin recording. When you're done, tap the icon once more to stop. Just like snapshots, your manual recordings are automatically saved to the app's file directory. The same simple workflow applies in remote playback. Once you've located the event you want to capture, tap on the screen to bring up the familiar snapshot and manual recording icons from live view. In addition, you'll see a new option called Cut the Timeline. With this feature, you can set a start and end point directly on the timeline and simply hit download. The video is downloaded automatically in the background, giving you the freedom to continue reviewing other footage or using other features of the app without having to watch the video while it's recording or downloading. To review any saved files, return to the main menu and select File. All of your snapshots and recorded videos are neatly organized and available for review and playback. During playback, for a more immersive viewing experience, rotate your device to landscape mode, which is especially useful when reviewing important events. Sharing captured footage is just as easy. Tap the share icon and you'll see a list of applications on your device that support sharing. If you prefer, you can also save snapshots directly to your phone's gallery with a single tap, making it convenient to store or share evidence quickly. Searching for events in CAM2 is logical, fast, and highly intuitive via the Event Search menu. For example, if you want to search by face, simply click on the face icon, set your date and time range, and hit Start Searching. All face detection results within that period are displayed, ready for review. And as a quick reminder, once you enter playback, all the same playback options we covered earlier are available: snapshots, manual recording, and even cutting the timeline. When searching for human event, you can filter by specific event types. For instance, to find all line crossing events on a certain date across selected cameras, simply set your criteria and the matching results will be presented. From there, tap on a result to view the snapshot details, and then jump directly into remote playback for a closer review. Vehicle events are just as easy to search. You can even look for license plates by entering a full or even partial plate number, and CAM2 will present all matching results. Tap on any event to view the snapshot, then hit playback to review the footage in detail.
Searching for object attributes is equally straightforward. Select the object type and the cameras you want to search through. Then choose the analytic type, in this case, video metadata. Next, select the specific attributes presented clearly and logically, and start your search. Notice that the same logic you use in the application is identical to the logic on the NVR. Once you know one system, you know them all. Returning to the matching results, simply tap the result you want to examine to view the snapshot details, such as the timestamp of the event and all object attribute information captured by the AI. When you're ready to review the footage, simply hit playback. The same logic applies to vehicle metadata searching as well. With these smart search options, CAM2 makes finding and reviewing critical events fast, precise, and incredibly user-friendly, giving you full control over your footage without any unnecessary steps.
Have you ever needed to locate a specific person from a database, quickly and with confidence? This is where one of the most powerful features in the CAM2 app comes into play: face recognition search. Begin by clicking the three dots in the bottom right and select Search by Name. The system works seamlessly with the face databases already stored on the NVR. Simply enter the person's name, choose your date range, and set the similarity level. Tap Start Searching, and CAM2 instantly presents all matching results. Each result provides clear, actionable details, including which camera captured the event, the similarity match percentage, and the exact timestamp. You can review results individually or tap Trace in the top right to switch to a timeline-style view that groups events by camera. From there, tap Play to initiate trace playback. Events are played back in chronological order, allowing users to quickly review multiple appearances without manually jumping between clips.
Now let's look at scenarios where you need to locate a face outside of an existing database. CAM2 offers two simple ways to handle this. Click the three dots and select Search by Image. You can either take a photo of the person using your phone or upload an image directly from your phone's gallery. Once the image is selected, define your date range and similarity level, then tap Search. Scroll through the results and tap any event to begin playback and review the footage. These options highlight the flexibility of CAM2's face recognition, turning a single image into a powerful investigative tool, ideal for real-world scenarios where the person isn't already in a database.
Adding a face to an existing database is quick and straightforward. From the menu, select Add New Person. You can either take a photo using your phone or upload an image directly from your gallery. Once the image is selected, the system will prompt you to enter the person's details. You can then choose to add the person to any existing NVR face database. Once saved, the person is uploaded immediately, and any rules linked to that database take effect right away, allowing the system to start identifying and responding without delay. The same concept applies when adding license plates through the CAM2 application. Simply select Add License Plate, enter the relevant details, and choose from any existing license plate recognition databases. You can upload a new license plate on the go from anywhere in the world and have it take effect immediately. The CAM2 app makes managing face and license plate databases effortless, powerful, and immediate, without any complex setup.
The CAM2 app puts full Intercom database management in the palm of your hand, making it simple, fast, and completely mobile. Whether you're creating new users, updating existing profiles, or managing access permissions, everything can be done directly from your phone. Create new users and assign them a user role, such as visitor, allow list, block list, or administrator. Easily add their face by taking a picture or uploading one from your phone's gallery, making it simple to populate and manage the database without needing the person to be physically present. Input relevant details, such as name and contact information, and then set their authentication method, whether it be face recognition, password, card swipe, or a combination of all three. You can assign a card to the user, even multiple cards if required, and set a personalized 4-digit PIN code. You can also select which relays the user can control, providing either full or restricted access to connected doors. You can also set a validity period, choosing either always active or a custom duration, making it easy to manage temporary access for visitors, contractors, or anyone who only needs entry for a limited time. Once your face database is populated, managing it is easy. Use smart filters to organize users and delete entries directly from the app whenever needed.
With CAM2, complete intercom management is always at your fingertips, giving you full control, flexibility, and efficiency, anytime, anywhere.
Fisheye cameras offer incredible dewarping capabilities through our NVR and VMS software, and with the CAM2 app, it's just as powerful. These dewarping views provide real operational value, letting you monitor spaces more effectively. For example, you can view a beautiful hemisphere view, giving a natural, comprehensive perspective of the room. You can also split the image into two 180-degree views, providing a wide-angle view as if you were standing in the space, or into four 90-degree views, with each window interactive and fully movable. And most impressively, virtual reality mode uses your phone's gyroscope, so that as you move your device, the view moves around the room, giving an immersive VR experience. All of these dewarping options are available in both live view and playback, making it easy to monitor, review, and analyze any area in detail, no matter where you are. Whether you need to fine-tune your analytics on the spot or set them up for the first time, the CAM2 app lets you configure and adjust everything from anywhere. No need to be at the NVR. Take line crossing as an example. Tap on line crossing, simply find the camera where you want to enable the rule, switch it on, and start setting the parameters by tapping the line number to begin drawing. You can add up to 4 lines, with each line adjustable using your finger, and you can update the detection direction as needed. Plus, any existing rules can be easily modified or fine-tuned directly from the app. For those already familiar with our NVR interface, notice the similarity in setup. It's almost identical, just optimized for mobile. After setting up your lines, you can configure additional parameters, such as alarm event duration, the schedule for when the rule will be active, detection objects and sensitivity levels, as well as how you want the system to respond if the event occurs, such as activating push notifications, sending emails, triggering alarm outputs, or controlling PTZ presets. With CAM2, full analytic control is always at your fingertips, making setup, adjustments, and response faster, smarter, and completely mobile.